My Rube Goldberg project is to turn the light switch off. So I'm going to knock down these dominoes, which is going to hit into the Crash soda candy, and push down the Abraham Lincoln coin purse and dominoes onto the floor. And that is attached to a ribbon, which is attached to the light switch, which will turn the light switch off. So it worked. Once I pushed down the dominoes, it hit into the Crash bottle and pulled the Abraham Lincoln coin purse down, which turned the light switch off.